So I'm on the treadmill on this Nordictack iFit, and now the volume is barely working. It's up as high as it can possibly go. Take a listen. Let's see, is he talking to us? Yeah, so if I turn the air on, I can't even hear the little bit that I can't hear now. How old is this, 4 months old? Oh, look at that, rust. Yeah, sounds like this is about to be disassembled and sent back unless somebody comes and fixes this. Can't even use the videos now. He's talking right now, listen. What was that, Seabra? Can't hear you. Let me turn you all the way up. Oh, it's all the way up. Yeah, great quality Nordictack.